Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a small tip. So now I'm going to be showing you how to change working view background. Go to file and here you can see options. So here you can see user interface. So here you have a visual experience. So here active theme, now it is light, so you can change it to dark and say OK. Here you can see that this is not changing the working area. To change the color of working area, go to file, then click on options, then go to graphics, and here you can see all the color options. So you can set which background color you want. So for example, I'm selecting black color and I'm saying OK. So if I click OK, you can see that working area color have been changed. So in case if I rotate the model, it's going to be black. Actually this building actually blinking because the file size is heavy. Okay, let's go to file, options, let's click on user interface. So here in case if you change this theme to light, and here you can see so the ribbon color is always same. So in case if you want everything to be black, then I can tell you an idea. So go to file, go to options and keep the background color as white. Okay, we are not changing any color, we are not changing. So let's say OK. Now these are white again. Now in your Windows search, type a magnifier. So with the magnifier, here you can see a small window is popping up. So here click on options. So here if you come down, here you can see invert colors. When you say invert colors, all the black will become white, white will become black. So if you go to Revit now, so this is how it's changed. So this is how all your screen will change. So you have to keep this magnifier window on, otherwise what will happen, so these settings will not be applicable. So in case if I close, you can see all the colors are coming back. So to keep the magnifier settings, you have to keep the magnifier windows on, so you can minimize the window better. I'm going to type magnifier again. So now you can see all the colors are coming back. That's all for the day. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.